Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of intricate detail with a camera and lens combination built for high precision close-up inspection. We're pairing the powerful IDS GV-5480CP monochrome camera with the Kowa LM8JC10M lens. The IDS GL is a 5.1 megapixel global shutter camera, and the global shutter is crucial for our application today. It captures the entire image simultaneously, preventing any motion blur or distortion that could compromise the accuracy of our close-up inspections. Being a monochrome camera means it captures highly detailed grayscale images, often preferred for metrology and defect analysis where color isn't the primary concern and maximum detail is paramount. Its fast giggy interface ensures we get high frame rates, allowing for smooth live viewing and capturing. Now let's talk about the optics. The Kowa LM8JC10M lens. This is a fixed focal length 8mm lens specifically designed for 1-inch sensors, like the one in our IDS camera. What makes this lens shine for close-up work is its exceptional resolution and extremely low distortion. When you're magnifying tiny objects, any lens imperfections become magnified as well. The Kowa LM8JC10M is engineered to maintain incredible clarity and sharpness right to the edges of the images, ensuring accurate measurement and defect detection. So, how does this pairing revolutionize close-up inspection? Imagine examining circuit boards for hairline fractures, inspecting machine parts for microscopic flaws, analyzing material surfaces for defects, or even quality controlling tiny components. The IDS GL monochrome camera, coupled with the precision of the Kowa LM8JC10M lens, provides an exceptional solution for anyone needing to perform detailed, close-up inspections where accuracy and clarity are paramount. Whether you're in manufacturing, research, or quality assurance, this combination offers the visual power you need. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this demonstration of microscopic detail fascinating, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe for more deep dives into imaging technology, and let us know in the comments what kind of close-up inspections you're performing. We'll see you next time.